Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn about the weather API, how we are going to use it, how to integrate it and how to show it on the React app. So let's have a tutorial on that. Let's get started. So we are going to use the Open Weather API. So let's search Open Weather API. Okay. So we're going to search with Weather Open API. So here you need to create account over here. So such some of the calls are free, so that 1000 API calls per day for free limit, otherwise you need to pay for it. Okay, so sign in with the account. So you need to sign in any of the account or create account. Okay, adding the username, email, password and repeat password. So let's create it. So I think I have already the user, but I think let's get started. Rajni 90 mrs dot rajnikant 1993 at the rate gmail.com. Password. I think I should log in. Sign in. Enter email mss dot rajnikant 1993 at the rate gmail.com. Password. Okay, let's check it out. So you have to verify the email you use open weather. So here if you go to the Rajnika, here you have the my API keys. So you can see that you have the default API key, so you need to use it. Okay, that is active. Okay, so let's go for the React app. So I will show you. Let's start the npm. So npm start. Okay, you can see that it will allow for the current location. So I will allow the location and allow. Okay, you can see that city name is Chandigarh, day Friday, date, temperature, sunrise, sunset, clear sky and humidity, such kind of thing. So this is full flash. You can see that this is weather app, you can see, which tells you about the, you can see, the weather. So how we are going to use it in the React. Okay, so let's check it out. Okay, so this is the you can see that in the console there is a response also which I have printed. So you can see that the object, the station, clouds, coordinates, name, Chandigarh, and this India is also, country is also coming out. Okay, so you can also do that. Visibility, weather app, array, clear sky. Okay, you can also use the images also, like clear weather, sunny something, because there is the images. I think there's a package. Images are also given here, which is in which field, I guess. Object images are also there. I know that. Give me a second. So I think wind, weather system, this country. Then we will go with the main object. Okay. Then we have clouds. No, this is base stations, coordinates, main. I have checked that images are also coming in this one, main clear. You need to open this one. Let's see, it is not there. Weather. I think this is. I think it is there, but I don't know where it is. So stations. So this is the basic response that you can make it for this one, right? So how we are going to use it? What are API that we are going to calling it, right? So let's check it out in the React app. So we have this function. Okay, so you can see that I have in the use effect what I have done. These are the consts, right? I have just this state. So by default states are null, otherwise then we have set the latitude longitude. When we try to get the current location, then we set the lat long. Okay, this one set lat set long. Then we are sending, if the lat long is there, then we will set in the API permissions lat and long. Then with the app ID we have sending, do you need to copy this app ID and send it over here. Then into console the legal console log the response. Then you can set the weather, whatever in the response you can set, and set it is loading to be false, else it will this catch this error. And then we have to show the error. If weather app is loading weather app, weather equal not equal to null, then we can show no data else, then we will pass the weather card with all the weather data. So here we are sending all the weather data. See, we have the city name, day, temperature, sunrise, sunset, description, and humidity. Okay, so this is how we can create a weather app in React JS. Okay, so I think that's it for now. Yeah, you can see that everything is sorted over here. So any issue in that, just let me know in the comment section. And this is a weather.js file, full-fledged. So you need to just hit the API, whatever in the component did mount or anything you can add. You can hit that API, get this result, render into any kind of component. Okay, simple. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. Any issue in that, just let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much.